I'm customer service for Europe, and this is my colleague Khaled, our training and technical support manager.
Hello and welcome.
And on the line is Matt, one of our sales representatives for the US.
Good morning.
And we also have Melissa, who is one of our sales directors for distributors. They are there to handle any questions you may have. Please type your questions into the chat. We are unfortunately not able to support you with your Zoom. Also note that this webinar will be recorded, so you will have a version to watch at a later time. We are excited to have an overview of a new family of Nasco healthcare products for CPR feedback, CPR Prompt Plus and Basic Buddy Plus, which has been updated to be compliant with American Heart Association guidelines, powered by HeartAscent. Nasco Healthcare's CPR line is the most used products, selling thousands of units every year. We are so proud that our CPR products are so durable that they come with a 5-year warranty on our mannequins and a 1-year warranty on our electronics. You can train thousands of people to help save lives in a moment of emergency. Today, we will start by showing CPR Prompt Plus while referencing Basic Buddy Plus and Baby Buddy Plus. We will show you Basic Buddy Plus and Baby Buddy Plus after CPR prompt and then offer time for questions before our presentation will end. This is ideal training for anyone requiring CPR instruction to include LPNs, RNs, pre-hospital EMS, emergency room personnel, and long-term care facility staff, as well as lay responders, career and technical high schools. We'll give Khaled a moment, and then we will show you what comes out of the box for these products. For the adult, as you can see, it all comes with a carry bag, and you will get the head assembly with the neck cap, the foam body. You can see we have the neck brace, the neck lock device, and the adjustable bellows piston. The electronics kit, the insertion tool for the lung bags, you get a package of 10 lung bags, and then moving on to the infant, you see it comes with the head and the neck cap, the foam body with the neck brace, the chest plate that has the electronics in it, lung bags, you again get a package of 10. And then again, we'd like to emphasize the carry bag. Basic Buddy Plus and CPR Prompt Plus require a little bit of installation and setup, in addition to the installation of the free apps for both student and instructor, so you can see the feedback. These free applications are available on both Android and iOS smartphones for tablets, which you can download from Google Play and Apple stores. CPR Prompt Plus mannequins are available in blue and tan in multiple configurations of adult, child, and infant. Each individual mannequin includes 10 lung bag face shields, as well as the electronic components and accessories needed to modify the mannequin for practice. So now we will go ahead and show you how to install the lung bag. Feed the insertion tool through the neck and up so the hook extends out the mouth. Once you've done that, place the bag on the face of the mannequin. Attach the hook of the tool to the bottom hole in the bag. Gently pull the insertion tool until the bag extends out the neck opening. The face shield portion should cover over the mouth. At this point, you would remove the adhesive strip and fold tabs over the mouth. Wonderful. Now we can attach the head to the torso. Please flip the head over and then pull the piston out of the bottom of the chest cavity. Remove the black neck lock device from the brace. While holding the head, pull the lung bag through the opening of the neck brace. Lay the bag flat and centered in the chest cavity. With the head facing down, line up the 2 pins on the head with the 2 slots on the neck brace. Push the pins until they slide into the slots and the head drops into place. And then replace the neck lock device. Once that's done, we'll show you how to modify the lung bag for practice. This step is necessary to capture ventilation and feedback for adult mannequins and infant mannequins. Using the included hole punch, punch a hole in the upper right or left corner region of the bag. As you can see, we already have a hole in the bag. Breath modules are included. Breath module A, with a raised front, adheres to the front side of the punched hole. Then, breath module B, a flat circular sticker, adheres to the backside of the punched hole. Both the CPR Prompt Plus and Basic Buddy Plus require 2 AAA batteries to start the electronics installation. Purchase 2 AAA style batteries separately. Place the batteries in the battery compartment, paying special attention to battery direction. At this point, we are going to show you how to get the electronics in your mannequin. The CPR Prompt Plus electronics screw to the top of the bellows piston and fit into the back of the torso on top of the installed lung bag. So as you can see, we are taking a piece out and we will replace it with the electronics. Basic Buddy Plus looks a little bit different and we will show you that later. So we'll get that and we'll insert it into the cavity, and be sure to make sure you plug the cord in, otherwise you won't get any feedback. This step is important. And once you're done with that, you can press the black button on the electronics component to activate. The infant mannequins, both CPR Prompt Infant Plus and Baby Buddy Plus, require a CR2032 style battery included with the package. Slide the battery into the electronic component on the back side of the infant's chest plate. Battery installation is the same across both Infant Plus mannequins. So now the application should be ready to open. So we'll go ahead and show you the tablet. Okay, there are 2 applications for CPR Plus, one for instructor and one for students. Both adult and infant CPR Plus training mannequins use the same applications. After the application is open, the instructor app will show Connect Kit. By tapping Connect Kit, the application will search for active mannequins. This app gives the instructor the capability of monitoring up to 6 mannequins and students simultaneously. Initial mannequin setup will require breath calibration. Users should follow the on-screen prompts for this step. The breath calibration is critical for accurate ventilation feedback for both adult and infant mannequins. At this time, the instructor can select the cycle option, hands only, or compression and ventilation. Find this under the training icon. The gray shaded button is the option selected. The link icon gives the instructor the opportunity to add more mannequins and students, up to 6 without disrupting in-progress section. The data icon offers the real-time feedback. Data can be exported in PDF format for email, cloud storage, or printed. The settings icon allow for a language change, 8 language options, including English. It has score calculation where the parameters can be adjusted for compression depth, recoil, and rate. Volume or breath score can also be adjusted, as well as hands-off time. Excellent. At this time, we will switch to show you the student application. The student app closely resembles the instructor app. Students first will need to connect their kit in the same manner as the instructor by tapping Connect Kit and selecting their specific mannequin. Again, mannequins need to have batteries in and electronic components powered on. Okay. Students will also need to select their CPR cycle, hands only, or compression and ventilation. The student application offers simple performance feedback on compression rate, depth, recoil, and hand placement. Now we're going to show you how the screen will look. In the upper right-hand corner, the student can tap to hear the metronome or mute. Compressions display with the speedometer on the left over the mannequin image. Hand placement indicator is on the mannequin image. The depth is the visual bar on the right with the recoil bar at the very top. The meter will illuminate green and red, reflecting good versus bad performance. Shading offers guidelines for minimal and maximal performance, as selected by the instructor. When the cycle is complete, the student application offers a detailed performance score. This report easily exports as a PDF for email, cloud storage, or printed. This concludes our presentation for CPR Prompt Plus. At this time, we would be happy to answer any questions you may have about this product. I will go ahead and pass the mic to Khalid for any questions. So at this time, we're going to go ahead and show you just a few differences between Basic Buddy and the CPR prompt, it's just some assembly stuff. So now let us review our Basic Buddy Plus and Baby Buddy Plus. First, let's keep in mind that the applications for instructor and student are exactly the same as previously shown. So we'll just take a few minutes to review the differences with setup on Basic Buddy Plus line. Similar to CPR Prompt Plus, Basic Buddy Plus and Baby Buddy Plus also come with a supply of face shield and lung bags, 10 for each mannequin in the associated configurations. Both the adult and Baby Buddy Plus mannequins have some simple assembly steps. Both will need to have the head attached, which has already been done. The adult head attaches to the white base, and the infant head will just attach to the body as shown. So the mannequins come supplied with their specific face shield lung bag insertion tools. The lung side of the lung bag goes into the mouth of the mannequin. Push the insertion tool and face shield lung bag down through the chin of the mannequin. The lung portion of the bag will rest on the white base. And then on the infant, it will just rest right on top of the body. So once you have it in there, you can go ahead and pull the insertion tool free from the installed bag. And then you just form your face shield over the mouth. So the Basic Buddy Plus electronic component also comes with also requires two AAA batteries. Install them paying close attention to battery direction. The electronic component sits on the white base of the mannequin. Place the electronics so the breath sensor cord is towards the head of the mannequin. This cord then snaps to the breath module sensor. As we have already just done that at the previous presentation, you would just simply follow the same steps outlined there. And then you would just fit the chest over the white base once you're done. And you do have to slide the bag into the little chest slot that Colette is showing you. And that's where the bag should rest. The Baby Buddy Plus has electronic components adhered to the backside of the chest plate as shown. It too requires the same C-style battery, and that is also included. You just slide it into the battery compartment in the same fashion as shown before. And we'll go ahead and show you how to get this one set up too. So he's putting the insertion tool with the lung bag through the mouth, and you can see the bag rests right on the chest, and then you just push the chest piece over the body. You're ready to go. These are the assembly differences for Basic Buddy Plus. This concludes our presentation for Basic Buddy Plus.
Thank you. You have a good night.